Hello, my name is Janaisi and I am 24 years old. In my free time, I study industrial engineering. I live in Barranca Bermeja with my daughter. I share my last vacation with my family. My reset to get started in a pot, place the chicken, white potatoes, salt and pepper, later and the water and oil. Then reduce heat to medium and cook for 30 to 35 minutes. Add your chicken is cooked potatoes and place in another plate. In the meantime, let's start let's stand for the minutes. After that, as red the chicken, add cilantro, onion, cooked white potatoes, sausages, milk, cream, and mayonnaise. Mixing it all in a container. Serve the potatoes. Thank you.